when we were doing semi-manual and the system, the complying rate was at 84%. But then we designed to use automation anywhere. So after 2 weeks, we hit 100% compliance. So that dramatically improved the customer satisfaction. We started with the basic one, right? The quick win one. So key factor I look at repetitive, and it has to be completed on time daily. So we started those. We identified about 5 processes. So we start there. So that was a quick win because it take off some valuable time from our controller, from our schedule planner, and make sure before they even start the day, the task, routine run process has been accomplished. And for the order entry use cases, we are dealing with distributor. And like our name say, the MW components, we have a lot of little components, parts. The part number is so similar to each other. And the purchase order quite have hundreds of lines on it. So when we implemented this one, improved the data accuracy and eliminated a lot of manual data entry from the customer service team. So that has a big impact for the operation level. We get the order into the system quicker and the accuracy, and especially for manufacturer, right? So the order accuracy is not only improved customer service team job, but also improve the potentially, quality control, shipping accuracy. We have the stakeholder involved in very early stage during the design phase. So we have them on board, and also we keep close communication with them during the process rollout. If there are any issue, we get them help right away internally, or we pull in external help. So they feel the confident and comfortable level. I think the software itself is pretty user-friendly. Also, I want to point out we get a great support from the support team, timely responding and get the problem resolved. We are very satisfied there. So when we need help, there's definitely right there for us.